Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE Maths Relations and Function Exercise 1.1. In that question number 5, let's see the question. Check whether the relation R in R defined by R is equal to A comma B, A is less than or equal to B cube is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. So we are going to check whether it is reflexive, symmetric or transitive given is the relation in real numbers. Here the relation is A comma B, A is less than or equal to B cube. So let me take the reflexive first. Reflexive, we know that A comma A should belongs to R. Now let me take an example of A comma A for not this is not equal for real numbers. As it is a real number, it will not be equal. For integers it will be correct, but for real numbers it will not be correct, because the denominator, if it is greater than the numerator, then it will be not less than the cube. I will show an example. Let 1 by 2 is less than or equal to 1 by 2 cube. This is not true, because here 1 by 2 will not be less than or equal to 1 by 8. 1 by 8, if we cancel, it becomes lesser than 0.5. So this is not true. Therefore 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 does not belongs to the relation. Therefore R is not reflexive. We can say that R is not reflexive. We'll move on to symmetric. So for symmetric, I need to prove A comma B belongs to R, imply B comma A belongs to R. Now let me take any simple number, that is 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 cube. But 1 cube less than or equal to 1 by 2 is not true. 1 cannot be lesser than 1 by 2. So this is not true. Therefore we can say that, therefore 1 by 2 comma 1 belongs to R, but 1 comma 1 by 2 does not belongs to R. So therefore R is not symmetric. We can conclude that R is not symmetric because it does not satisfy B comma A. We'll move on to transitive now. For transitive, we need to prove A comma B and B comma C belongs to R, means A comma C should also belongs to R. Now let me take an example, a bigger number, 9 or 10. 10 is less than or equal to 3 cube. Now 3 is less than or equal to 2 cube, but 10 is not less than or equal to 8. That is 2 cube, which is 8. Now we can say that is not true, as 10 comma 3 and 3 comma 2 belongs to R, but 10 comma 2 does not belongs to R. Here 2 is nothing but 2 cube. We can write the 8 as 2 cube. This is not proper, because 8 is not not greater than 10. It is a smaller number than 10. This is not possible. So it does not belong to the relation. Therefore R is not transitive. So according to the given relation, all the three is not Same. So that's all with the sum. Thank you.